6. Lesson 2. Negative imperative sentences. We use do not or don't to make imperative sentences negative. Do not goes before the be verb. Do not be loud. Don't be mean. Don't be mad. Don't be shy. Do not goes before other verbs too. Do not fight. Don't run. Don't worry. Don't eat or drink here. For negative imperative sentences, the verb forms do not change. Don't be messy. We do not use does not or doesn't. Don't bite me. Don't stay up late. Don't wake him up. Don't go. Do not be bad. Don't sit there. Let's review. We use do not or don't to make imperative sentences negative. Do not goes before the verb. Do not be lazy. Don't use your phone. Remember, the verb forms do not change. Don't touch. Now let's practice with our books and workbooks. Happy practicing!